Hi, today I'm going to explain you about string manipulation. String manipulation is nothing but what? So here I have entered first name in the first cell, last name in the second cell, and middle name in the third cell. If you want to join the names all together, you want to merge the names in one cell. So in that point of time, we are going to use one function called string manipulation. String manipulation. So here I'm going to use the formula where I can join the names. Where I can join the names. So the formula is equal to concatenate. Concatenate is nothing but if your first name is in one cell, last name is in second cell, or middle name is in third cell. You want to join all the names together. Joining the several test strings into one test string means joining the several names all together. If you bring into one cell, that is known as concatenate. That is known as concatenate. CONCATENAT, concatenate. Control A for dialog box, as you know. Control A for dialog box. So my first name is in first cell, second name in B column, third name, so middle name is in C column. So first I am selecting Deepak in A column. Put the cursor in the test number 2. Then I am selecting last name. In the test number 3, I am selecting, or you can rearrange the order. Test number 2, you can select Kumar. The test number 3, select C. Okay. Then click on OK. Your names is going to be in one cell. Just double click here, double click the alignments so that it's going to be shown in the complete one cell. Shift down arrow, shift down arrow, shift down arrow, Control D to drag the cells. Double click again. So shift down arrow for the autofill for the rest of the names. Okay. If once you prepare the formula for first cell, rest of the names is going to be shown automatically. No need to prepare the formulas for rest of the names. Once you're done for the first cell, the rest of the names is going to be auto fill. So which formula here we have used this? Concatenate. Concatenate means joining the several text strings into one. Means joining the several cells names into one cell. So is equal to concatenate Control A for dialog box. So under that, test number 1, test number 2, test number 3. Okay. So here select the first name, or you can select second anything. Select the middle name, select the last. Then click on OK. So here one more thing, this format anyone can do, but my question is, if you want to give space, if you want to give the space for the names, how to give the space? For example, Deepak Kumar Singh. After Deepak, I need to give the space. I want to give the space after Deepak. How to give the space here? Simple. Put the cursor here. Click on insert function. Wherever you want to give the space. For example, here I want to give the space after the first name. So test number 1 is Deepak. Test number 2, put the cell and give backspace. Here in the test number 2, shift inverted commas open, shift inverted commas open, space bar, inverted commas close, inverted commas close. So because inverted commas open, space, inverted commas close, because in between I have given space because I want to give the space for Deepak and Kumar. Test number 3, Kumar. Test number 4, Singh. Now you can observe the space. Okay, out of it. How to out of it? Shift down arrow, control, so that the space will be formed for the first name and middle name. The same time, if you want to give full stop, if you want to give full stop between the first name and middle name or last name, just what you will do again, inverted commas will be common. Inverted commas will be common. Inverted commas open, full stop, inverted commas close. Test number 3 is my middle name. Test number 4 is the last name. Click on control. If you want to give the space after Deepak Kumar, you want to give the space after Deepak Kumar, what you will do? Then test number 2 you should select Kumar. Test number 2 you should select Kumar. After Deepak Kumar, if you want to give the like any full stops, inverted commas open, full stop, inverted commas close, and click on it. Then control D. Okay. So here you should understand one thing. I'm giving the code here. How to give space, full stops, or any sequence is equal to concatenate control here. Test number 1, test number 2, test number 3, test number 4. So here, for example, as per the given scenario, select the first name. I want to give the space after first name. For example, if you want to give the space after first name, what you will do? Inverted commas is mandatory. Inverted commas. Here you can give space or full stop or any symbols in between this. Any symbols. After giving the symbols, inverted commas close. Then select the last name. Middle name. Click on OK. That's it. This is about the names. For example, if it is the numbers, for example, 10, I have given in one cell. 48 I have given in one cell. 576 I have given in one cell. If you want to join these three numerical terms in one cell, what you will do? Again, the formula is equal to concatenate control A. Test number 1. Select the first number. Here, I want to join the numbers as well as I need to give the which symbol you need to use here. The symbol is comma. You want to give the comma, what you will do? Inverted commas open. This time you should give comma. Inverted commas open, comma, inverted commas close. Test number 3. Select the next number. Again you should give comma. Inverted commas open, comma, inverted commas close. Then select the test number 5. Then click on it. The numbers will be joined with the commas. Numbers will be joined with the commas. Then date, for example, 5/29, 2020. Same is equal to concatenate control it. 5 is the month. So this time inverted commas will be common. Which symbol we need to use? Slash. We need to use slash. Test number 3. Select the date. Inverted commas open. Slash. Test number 5. Year. So 5/29/2020. Inverted commas open. Inverted commas close is going to be common. In between of that, you need to give the symbols. Click on FX. In between of that, you should give the symbols like comma, slash, full stop, space, anything. In between of that, you should give the symbols. If it is dates slash, if it is time, level 40, let's take, is equal to concatenate control A. Test number 1, 11. Test number 2, this time which symbol you gonna use? Colon, inverted commas close, 40, and for example, if it is AM, you can take AM, or else PM you can take. Okay. Is equal to concatenate control it, 11, inverted commas open, colon, inverted commas close, 40. The last test number 4, you should select AM or PM. So here currently it's AM. Click on O, so that your time duration is 11 AM. So this is how you need to join the names or dates or time, anything, or numerical terms, anything. We will do a assignment, small assignment. Do a small assignment. Here, my requirement is let's suppose that you create a new email account for your employees with @expertbusiness.com. What is the requirement? Let's suppose that you create a new email account for your employees with @expertbusiness.com, and you want to make a list to send it to all your clients to have the right dictionary, right direction. While creating the names, you need to add your email. You need to join your emails. For example, here my names are Jack, Frankly, Nick, Edwin, some few names are there. So what I need to do is I need to join name and emails together. How I can join name and extension of emails together? So here is equal to concatenate control A. Test number 1 is Jack. Test number 2, inverted commas open, @ inverted commas close. Test number 3, select the extension of the mail, click on, double click the alignment for out of it size. So this is how we're gonna join. The requirement here they have given, see clearly. Let's suppose that you create a new email account for your employees with @. So what is the requirement is while selecting the employee name, you should join the emails simultaneously. So for the first employee we joined here, second employee. Let's select concatenate control A. Select the first name, Frankly. Select the second name, Tyler. Test number 3, inverted commas open, @ inverted commas close. Test number 4, select expertinbusiness.com. Double click the alignment. So your names with the emails is going to be joined. If you want to drag, or if you want to do the autofill for the rest of the employees also, shift down arrow, control D. For the rest of the employees also it will be shown. So as per the requirements we have done. So here the only thing we done the changes, inverted commas open, inverted commas close is common. In between we have changed the symbol like @ in the sense if you want to add any emails together, you want to join the emails together, which symbol we want to give? @. So we have first we selected the name, and then we selected the test number 3, we selected the emails. In the test number 2, my condition I have given, that is inverted commas open, @ inverted commas close, so that your names along with the emails is going to be joined for each and every employee. Okay, so this is how your string manipulation needs to be done. Okay, so thank you for the session today. Next session we are going to do the logical functions. So basic functions we completed, mathematical, date and time, and string manipulation. Totally 8 functions are there. Out of 8 functions, we completed 3 functions on till date. So next class, we'll discuss about logical functions.